Hello guys, it's Rembie again. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I made two different design of earrings, which is I used the chains and pearl and pom-poms. And the other one is I only have to use chains and pom-pom. So guys, in this video guys, I didn't bother anymore to make my own pom-pom because I already have a prepared one, which I bought from the store because it's a nicer texture. That's why I got it, and it's just cheap, and I'm lucky that I found this one. So but if you don't know how to make it and you cannot find it in your place, this kind of pom-pom, this one like this, if you cannot find it in your place, you can also make your own, and I have there a pattern also. Just take a look at my DIY videos. Just take a look when you're going to check my channel, you can see there the home and the videos and playlists. So just go to my DIY playlist so that you will find my DIY playlist. So if you are wondering guys, why do I have different videos, I have vlogs, and that's why I'm really trying to make it up to you. For those waiting for my DIY videos, I hope you'll understand and you're still gonna watch my DIY videos. So guys, the next one guys, I'll be showing you also. That's it guys, the other one. I hope you like this also, and for me this is my best made for tonight. And I also made a red color for the other design, this one, like this. And it's really super cute, and I hope guys I inspired you to make your own, and I hope you will watch out for my next one because I really got enough materials because I just ordered from the other week, and it's already here. So let's get started.